Good morning from the camper. The kids are crazy. Do you feel refueled now that you drank coffee and ate cinnamon roll and farm fresh eggs?
I'm feeling pretty good right now.
What are you going to go work on?
Soffit.
Soffit.
Pretty much the usual.
All right, I'll be over in a little bit.
Okay.
Stay warm and stay safe.
Alrighty.
Do you have any helpers today?
No helpers, as usual.
All right, love you, bye.
Bye.
We got the boys outside today. We got Levi playing with the kitty cat, and Elias is over there riding around his John Deere Gator. Hi, Levi. Oh goodness, it's a really nice day today. It's already 50 degrees out and it's, I don't know, maybe 10 a.m. or something, so it's really nice. It's a little bit windy, but it's warm, so I'm happy about that. It is a beautiful day, and James is out here working on the soffit on the house. James just got all that soffit under the porch there that you see done. Dang, babe. It's all the way done over there, too.
I think that was the piece I needed.
Which one?
That one laying down there.
This one?
Yep, that's the one.
Nice. That looks great, babe.
That looks alright.
I think it looks fine. What a beautiful day in February to be working outside. All right, what's next?
I think I'm going to start bending some aluminum around the soffit because I got another corner down there to cut soffit on, but it's getting so windy. I'm afraid that the soffit's going to start blowing out, so that trim coil helps it keep it nice and secure. So I'm going to start bending some trim coil and putting that up, and I'll be on the high side, so it's going to suck by myself, but
Alright, we just made 3 of those to put up now for the wraparound porch. Mommy. 1 piece up there and done, about 1,000 more to go. So now he's working on fixing that corner where he wrapped the trim coil around. Look at all that progress we just made. That whole side of the house. We just made every single one of those trim coil stalks and put them up on this side of the house. We are very, very blessed with nice weather today. Except for the wind. And our poor kids have had enough.
I don't want to play on me.
Okay, I'll get him. Alright, so we got all of that side of the house done. Now we are starting on the front. We have to get it on all of that wood that you see. The whole length of the front of the house. That's what we're doing now. All of the white trim coil stock he got along the whole entire front of the house. and over on that side of the house. So it's done. He got it finished. Now he's working on a little bit of soffit to finish up the back. Wraparound porch here. We'll go check that out. What a beautiful day, and what a handsome boy in that sun there. Okay, so we just got that aluminum coil stock on that part of the wraparound porch there. Now we just got to do the back. Got it all on there. It's done. Here at the house. It's a nasty rainy day, but I'm coming over to check and see what the drywallers did today because they were here making a lot of progress. So anyway, we're gonna check it out. It's hard to see because the lighting in here is not very good. We don't have any lights in here right now, but I'm still gonna try to show you anyway. All right, so this here is the kitchen. All the drywall is done in the kitchen. All the drywall is up in the mudroom. Looks great. Got our bathroom there that's got all the drywall in it. The foyer is done, and it looks magnificent. Hi, babe. What are you eating?
I stole one of the drywall guys' hostess cakes.
Are you serious? You can see up there where it's all done. Okay, second floor. Bedrooms are finished. So here is the foyer. Over here are the bedrooms. This is the extra bedroom, playroom, whatever you want to call it. This is the second bedroom here. And then the boys' room back in here. I like it. It looks so good. I love it. It actually turned out bigger than I thought it would, honestly. All right, James. What's on the agenda for today on the house on this snowy day?
Snowy day? I've got just a tiny little section of soffit to complete. Probably take me a couple of hours.
Okay.
Then, after that, I'm probably going to start mounting some light fixtures on the outside. I need a second person to help me with the siding on the garage. It's almost done, but I need somebody there to help me do a few things. But can't get on the roof today because of the snow. But we'll see.
Leave, bud. Look at him. All right,
Then
well, be safe out there.
I'm gonna start planning for these steps going up to the porch too. See what I can do.
Oh, good.
Right now, I gotta go fix the water. The water lines are froze to the camper again, so we're pretty much used to that. But
Okay, let's see what it's like outside. It's been snowing. Woo, buddy. Poor James has been over at the house for a few hours now, actually like 5 hours now, working on the house by himself. It's just now 2 p.m. and I'm finally getting out with the boys, so we're going over to see what he's working on. And there's Elias, he's behind me. We're gonna pull him in the sled. Say hi.
Hi.
Our house looks beautiful with some snow on it. There's James. What'd you just get done?
come here, I'll show you.
Okay.
I got all that salted up there.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh, that gives it such a good finished look. So James got all that white soffit and trim coil around there that you see on there.
Stay up on the ground.
That looks great. Wow, it is a muddy mess. Let's get out of this mud.
I'm done being in the mud.
Me too. I just said me too like I've been in the mud. I've only been in the mud for 10 seconds. Elias, are you hiking in the woods? Are you...
So gross, Mom.
Okay, we can go somewhere else.
Walk down.
Where do you want to go?
What way do you want to go, Mom?
So the drywallers got all the drywall on the ceiling in our garage. Looks great. That's gonna be a pull down ladder for the attic. And James got more siding put on that side of the garage. That looks good too. James also put these vents in on the soffit. That looks really good. There's 2 more over there. Those are for the vents in the bathroom, and then I think maybe our hood above our stove in the kitchen. All right, so the drywallers were here today and they finished putting up all the drywall in the house. So the drywall is 100% done as far as being put up, but now they still have to finish it. So I'm gonna show you the stuff that wasn't done yet. You can see up there on the second floor, they've started taping off some of the corners and the lines where the drywall butts together. So that looks good. I like all the angles that are in this room. It looks so unique. Okay, so we're gonna head over to the kitchen because the kitchen was not done. This is where that stone is gonna be on our bar. The bar's still sitting. Obviously, everything drywall-wise is up now in the kitchen. This is where our pantry is gonna be. Love the pantry. It's right next to where the oven and the fridge are gonna be, so it's very convenient as far as that cooking location goes. And here.
Sure hope you said that wrong.
What do you mean?
Well, I wired that for an oven.
Oh yeah, I did say that wrong. I'm sorry. Oven is on this side, and the fridge is over on this side.
Okay.
I did say that wrong. Either way, they're both really close to the pantry, which is very convenient. All right, so here, this is the office / mudroom. So this looks great. All the drywall is here. And then here is where our half bath is gonna be, and this is done. Kind of hard to see because there's no lights in here yet, but it looks really nice. All the drywall is done here. Now something that I really like that they just finished is the foyer. It's hard to see because this giant scaffolding is in here, but all the drywall is up in the foyer. Now we have this here, so I don't have to worry about the kids falling down the steps. So that's really nice right here, and it just looks great. It feels so big and open. I absolutely love it. And I love the giant window up there, lets in so much light. And this little ledge thing over here, can you see the ledge with the scaffolding over there? That's where James wants to put a giant turkey mount, a full turkey mount. I love it. So tomorrow James is going to build these steps behind me that you see here going into the house on the front of the porch.
It'll take a couple of days because I have to set the post in concrete.
Okay, right. So I'm gonna have him explain how he's gonna build those steps. I like how big they're gonna be. All right, give us a quick version of how you're gonna build them.
Steps are going to be the width of these 2 posts here.
What is that, about 10 feet, you think?
About 10 feet. Set
Okay.
the post here. I'm going to come over here and set a post here. Somehow build a beam across the bottom. Set our step, I guess they're called stringers, so set those on there.
So it's gonna be 3 steps getting up to the deck,
Technically 4.
because the 4th is the deck. Okay,
Yep.
I like it. It's gonna be really wide, so I'll be able to put pumpkins and planters along the edge of the steps, so I can decorate for the holidays. It's gonna look really good. So James got everything done that he wanted to outside today, so we are all gonna go take a 4-wheeler ride around the farm. Here we go. Good job, Elias. Go, Levi, go. We are currently at Lowe's this evening picking up a bunch of supplies for James to make the steps on the deck tomorrow. So here we are.